Hello, and welcome. Today we will be talking about what is a 16x2 character LCD, how to connect one to an Arduino board, and explain the code for a simple LCD. The 16x2 character LCD module consists of a liquid crystal display with 2 rows and 16 columns. A 16x2 character LCD is a display module that shows text and basic graphics. An LCD, liquid crystal display, is a type of flat panel display technology used in a wide range of electronic devices, such as televisions, computer monitors, smartphones, and digital watches. LCDs work by utilizing the properties of liquid crystals to manipulate light and create images. An LCD consists of several layers. The two main layers are the front glass substrate and the back glass substrate, with a layer of liquid crystals in between. Each substrate has a transparent electrode coating, usually made of indium tin oxide, on its inner surface. 2 polarizing filters are attached to the outer surfaces of the front and back substrates. These polarizers allow only light waves oscillating in a specific direction to pass through. The layer of liquid crystals is composed of organic compounds that have properties of both liquids and solids. The liquid crystals can change their orientation when subjected to an electric field. By controlling the voltage, the orientation of the liquid crystals in each pixel is adjusted. As light passes through the polarizers, it encounters the liquid crystal layer. The orientation of the liquid crystals determines how much the light is rotated as it passes through. Most LCDs require a backlight source to illuminate the liquid crystal layer from behind. The backlight provides the necessary illumination for the liquid crystals to control and manipulate the light effectively. LCDs have a limited viewing angle because the polarizers and filters work best when viewed straight on. Viewing the display from extreme angles can result in color distortion or diminished image quality. This should give you a good understanding of the fundamental principles behind LCD operation. An LCD 16x2 display is a compact visual output device commonly used in consumer electronics, embedded systems, industrial equipment, communication devices, medical devices, and automotive applications. It provides a clear and easy-to-read interface for displaying numbers, characters, and information. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications where visual feedback is required. Let's take a closer look at how to connect an LCD 16x2 display. VSS is connected to ground, VCC is connected to 5V, V is connected to potentiometer out, RS is connected to digital pin 12, RW is connected to ground, E is connected to digital pin 11, D4 connected to digital pin 5, D5 connected to digital pin 4, D6 connected to digital pin 3, D7 connected to digital pin 2, LED plus connected to 5V, LED connected to ground. After you have connected the components, you will need a code to run it. Here is an example code you can use for this circuit. In the first box you will see a code that sets up the Arduino board to control an LCD module, initializes the LCD, creates a custom character, sets the backlight brightness, and clears the LCD screen. Hashtag include liquidcrystal.h. This line includes the liquid crystal library, which provides functions to control LCD modules. Liquid crystal LCD 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, 2. This line initializes an object named LCD of the liquid crystal class. The numbers in parentheses represent the Arduino pins connected to the RS, enable, D4, D5, D6, and D7 pins of the LCD module, respectively. Adjust these pins according to your specific wiring. Byte check 8 equals, this code defines a custom character called check using a byte array. The byte array contains binary values that represent the pattern for the custom character. The character will be displayed on the LCD later in the code. Void setup, this is the setup function, which runs once when the Arduino is powered on or reset. It is used to initialize the board and set up any necessary configurations. Analog write 6100, this line uses analog write to set the brightness of a backlight or LED connected to pin 6. The value 100 represents the duty cycle of the PWM signal, controlling the brightness level. Adjust the pin and value according to your specific setup. LCD.begin 16,2. This line initializes the LCD module with the specified dimensions of 16 columns and 2 rows using the begin function. LCD.create char 3, check, this line creates a custom character using the create char function. The first parameter, 3, represents the character's index or location in memory. The second parameter, check, is the custom character defined earlier. LCD.clear, this line clears the LCD screen using the clear function, ensuring a clean starting point for displaying text. The second box shows the loop function and demonstrates how to use the liquid crystal library to display text and a custom character on an LCD module. Void loop, this is the loop function, which runs repeatedly after the setup function. It controls the behavior of the Arduino board based on user inputs or other conditions. LCD.clear. This line clears the LCD screen using the clear function, ensuring a clean display before printing new content. LCD.setCursor 0, 0. This line sets the cursor position to the first column of the first row using the setCursor function. The first parameter represents the column index, and the second parameter represents the row index, both starting from 0. LCD.print hello, world. This line prints the text hello, world, to the LCD module starting from the current cursor position using the print function. LCD.setCursor 0, 1. This line sets the cursor position to the first column of the second row. LCD.print LCD tutorial. This line prints the text LCD tutorial to the LCD module starting from the current cursor position. LCD.setCursor 13, 1. This line sets the cursor position to the 13th column of the second row. It's preparing to print the custom character in this location. LCD.writeByte 3. This line writes the custom character, previously defined as the check character, to the LCD module using the write function. The custom character will be displayed at the specified cursor position. Delay 5000. This line introduces a delay of 5000 milliseconds, 5 seconds, using the delay function. This delay ensures that the displayed content remains visible for a certain period before being cleared and updated in the next iteration of the loop. Overall, this code repeatedly displays the text hello, world, on the first row of the LCD module, LCD tutorial on the second row, and a custom character at a specific position. The content remains on. Thanks for watching.